Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. The swap feature is already live on the cySync app, and in today's video, you will learn how to swap tokens on the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet. This tutorial will demonstrate swapping coins to tokens across different chains. We will swap the BNB coin on the BSC network to USDT on the Polygon network. On the cySync sidebar, select swap. Select the wallet and the coin you want to swap. Select the wallet and the token you want to receive. Enter the amount you want to swap. You will get the best quotes available, which include the transaction fees. Select the best offer which you like. Press continue. This is the swap summary. Confirm the operation on the X1 vault. Verify the asset and the wallet name on the device. Enter the PIN. Tap any one of the 4 X1 cards below the X1 vault. Verify the address of the USDT on Polygon chain on the X1 vault. Your USDT address gets added automatically to the recipient address. Sign the transaction on BSC on the X1 vault. Verify the transaction details on the X1 vault. Enter the PIN for this wallet. Tap any one of the 4 X1 cards below the X1 vault. The transaction was successful and the swap provider has received your coins for swap. Wait for some time for the swap to be completed. The time will vary depending upon the coin and the network you are swapping. For example, Bitcoin will take more time for swap according to its network speed and gas fees. The swap is completed and the token has been received. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to swap crypto tokens using the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet. Well done!